Hello, my dear students. Welcome back again to your very own faculty driven institute, Resultant. Hope you guys are fine. So, come on, guys, join the session fast. Be quick, quick, guys. Quickly join the session. I guess I'm audible and visible also. Excuse me. Okay, so now let's start with the session without any delay. Let's be quick. Let's be quick and let's quickly start the session. Today we'll be dealing with simple and compound interest and profit and loss. So why to wait? Let's start the session quickly. Let's be quick. Okay. So guys, first of all, if you are new and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Apart from that, if you don't know about me, then you can go through my profile. And guys, we have launched the Maths full course by Ankit Joshi sir, that is Maths Booster. And this is in English, that means Hindi and English combined. And the offer price is right now 2499. So the classes has been commenced from 16th August. So you guys can if you want, you can enroll for it. The timing is Monday to Friday, 9:15 p.m. Apart from that, guys, we are having this the team for RRB JE Civil 2024. Apart from that, guys, we have launched full syllabus course paid courses for RRB JE CBT 1, which is focus batch. Offer price is 2499. RRB JE CBT 2 aim batch. The offer price is 3999, and RRB JE CBT 1 and CBT 2, that is mission batch, 5499. Okay, so this is the price, and if you have any doubts, you can call on the number 7991310416. And what you'll be getting in the focus batch, it will be a 200 hours of class, PYQs, quiz, test series, doubt sessions. Aim batch, this will be again live plus recorded classes, everything in English language. This will be a 400 hours of class, and mission batch will be CBT1 and CBT2. This will be 600 hours of classes. Okay, so this is regarding the whole paid classes I have told you. Now let's talk about the questions for which we are here. Okay, so first we will start from simple interest, some questions, then profit and loss, and then compound interest. So let's proceed in this manner. Question number one. Okay, I guess you know the formula of simple interest and all. Simple interest is given by principal into rate into time by 100. And here rate you substitute in terms of percentage. That's why you have divided it by 100. Okay. Now, a sum of rupees 8,000 amounts to rupees 920 in 3 years at simple interest. If the interest rate is increased by 3%, how much amount you will be getting? Come on, guys. See, the value was 800 rupees. He got how much? 920 rupees. In how many years? 3 years span. So basically, how much interest he got? The simple interest which he got was 920 minus 800. That is 120 rupees. Right? So first I will calculate the rate of interest which was there initially. Why, ma'am? Because it is written if the interest rate is increased by 3%. So first I should know now what was the initial interest rate. So simple interest is P into R into T by 100. Simple interest is 120. Principal is 800. Rate you have to calculate. Time is 3 years divided by 100. From here how much it will come? This two zero will get cancelled out. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 10 by 2, 5%. So rate of interest is coming out to be 5%. Now what it has told, the interest rate is increased by 3%. That means new interest rate is how much? 5 plus 3, that is 8%. Okay, so what will be the value now? If the interest rate is given to you 8%, it would amount to how much? Now you can calculate it would amount to how much, guys? I have told you the new interest. Now how much it will amount to? Excuse me. Come on, guys. How much it will amount to? New simple interest. How much will be the new simple interest? Obviously, it will be more. P into R into T by 100. Principal again you will take 800 only, but rate of interest has increased to 8%. Time is 3 years divided by 100. So this will get cancelled out. 8 8s are 64 into 3. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6 3s are 18, 192 rupees. Okay, this is the value which you are getting, new simple interest. But in the question it is not asking me the simple interest value, it is asking me the amount. So the principal amount is what? Principal plus interest. Okay, so principal is how much? 800 rupees. Simple interest is 192, so this will be 992 rupees. This will be the amount. Got it? This will be the amount. Is it clear? Understood this question? Understood this question? So in this way you can answer it, provided you should know what it is trying to ask you in the question. Fine. Now next question. Adam borrowed some money at the rate of 6% per annum. Annum means per year, for the first 2 years. If the rate of 9, okay, and at the rate of 9% per annum for the next 3 years. So first 2 years he brought it for 6%. Next 3 years he borrowed the money for 9%, and at the rate of 14% for the period beyond 5 years. Okay, so first 2 years 6%. Then after that for next 3 years 9%, and for the remaining 5 years how much? For the remaining beyond 5 years, whatever is the number of years remaining, the rate of interest is 14%. Now, good morning, Shubham. Now it is asking if he paid a total interest of 11,400 at the end of 9 years. So tell us how much money he borrowed. Okay, how much money he borrowed. Now check it out. 6% for first 2 years, 14% for next 3 years, and how many years are there total? 9 years. So the remaining will be for the next 4 years, because 3 plus 2 5, 9 minus 5 is 4 years. What is the remaining? For the remaining one he has to do what? This is 9% and the remaining is 14%. Okay, so now you have to know that how much money he borrowed. How will you calculate, guys? Come on, how will you calculate? Quick, I'll give you 30 seconds and I will only do it for sure. See, let the sum or the amount which is borrowed x. Okay, so xp into r into t by 100. This will give you certain simple interest. P into r by 100, and this is p into. So the total simple interest will be 11,400. Now you have to solve it and you will get the value of x. That's it. Simple. So from here 6 2s are 12. 12x by 100. 9 3s are 27x by 100. And this will be 6x by 100. It will give you 11,400. Come on, solve it. 56 plus 27 plus 12. So 12 plus 27 will become 39. 39 plus 56. 9 plus 6, 15. 95. So from here you will know how much money he borrowed. Come on, calculate the value of x, how much it is coming. Calculate the value of x, how much it is coming. Check it out, it will come out to be 12,000. 12,000. Okay, so simple question was there. This was only you should know how to proceed. It will be solved within 1 minute, not more than that. For maximum to maximum 1 minute. Okay, now next question related to simple interest. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 1008 in 2 years and rupees 1164 in 3.5, that means 3.5 years. It is asking us the rate of interest. So how much? 1164 in 1.5 years and 1008 in 2 years. Okay, so basically how much money? 3.5 years. Now I said 1.5, 3 half is this, so 3.5 years. So when you will subtract it, you will come to know that in this span of 1.5 years, how much simple interest he got. So this will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. 156 rupees interest in 1.5 years. That's it. Now you can apply simple interest, P into R into T divided by 100. Simple interest came out to be how much? 156 rupees. Principal is principal. What you will take? Answer me the first thing. What you will take principal? See, if you want to take the principal for 2 years, you need to take simple interest for 2 years. Now, remember, this is a hack in this question. Listen to me very carefully. This simple interest which you got, this was for 1.5 years, right? Now, if you want to take the principal for 2 years, you need to take the simple interest also for 2 years. You can go by the simple, you can say this one, what do you call it, unitary method. So for 1.5 years, if the interest, simple interest you got is 156 rupees, so for 2 years what will be the simple interest? Come on guys, solve it and tell me how much. For 2 years how much will be the simple interest? What? Okay, on 1.5 you can write it as 3 by 2 also. Okay, so 156 into 2 divided by 3 by 2. So 156 into 2 into 2 by 3. So this will be 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6. 52 into 4, 4 twos are 8, 5 fours are 20. So the value of simple interest for 2 years will be 208. Principal is given to you 8. Rate of interest you need to calculate, time is 2 years. Come on. Now solve it and calculate how much it is coming. Now there is one more mistake nobody has told me. There is one more mistake. If you check it out, there is one more mistake. Every mistake I'm telling you so that you don't make mistake in the examination. One hack, the students what they will be doing is they will write the simple interest of 1.5 years, but they will mention the principal of 2 years. First mistake. Second, check it out. It is written a sum of money amounts to rupees 1008 in 2 years. That means this is the amount 1008. This is not the principal. This is principal plus simple interest. So if you want to calculate the principal, this will be 1008 minus the simple interest which is 208. Okay, so from here you will get the principal 0, 10 minus 2, 8. Okay, so here this will not be the one, rather you will substitute the principal as 800. 800 208, 800 0 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, 2 4 twos are 8. Rate of interest is coming 13%. There you won't be having calculator, so you have to do it like this only. Okay, so how much is the rate of interest coming? Rate of interest is coming as 13%. Clear? Sorted? Is it clear? Okay, next question related to simple interest. Now this is a good question. Every question is good because it will be having like different, you can say, RRB JE किस जोन से सेफ रहेगा? आप किस जोन से प्लानिंग करो? सेफ रहेगा से ज्यादा शुभम ये ध्यान रखना कि आने वाले 60 years आपको 60 साल जो कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की रिटायरमेंट एज है, तब तक उसी जगह में रहना पड़ेगा, ये याद रख लेना। तो अगर आप ये सोच के भर रहे हो कहीं से कि वहां पे जैसे मुंबई जोन वगैरह से जहाँ से आपकी वैकेंसी ज्यादा है, तो फिर ये भी याद रखना आने वाले 60 साल तक बहुत ही मुश्किल है। जुगाड़ उगाड़ होगा तो अलग बात है कि जहाँ से आपका ट्रांसफर हो सके, म्यूचुअल ट्रांसफर वगैरह, अदरवाइज नहीं। तो ये चीज ध्यान में रखना। तो सेफ जोन के पीछे भागोगे तो फिर आने वाले 60 साल तक के आपको वहीं रहना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ज्यादा वैकेंसी है, तो बाकी लोग भी यही सोच रहे हैं कि वहां पे ज्यादा वैकेंसी है, तो बाकी आप देख लो। ठीक है, चलिए। अब जैसे सिलीगुड़ी वगैरह में वैकेंसी कम है, बट वहां पे कंपटीशन भी कम है। ठीक है, तो वहां से भर सकते हो, बट फिर रहो अगर रह सकते हो तो अच्छी बात है। ठीक, चलिए। The simple interest on a sum of money is 4/9 of the principal. So if the principal is P, simple interest is 4/9 of principal. It is asking you time if both rate and time are numerically equal. That means whatever is the rate percent and the time percent, both are numerically equal. So whatever is rate percent and whatever is time, both are numerically equal. Then find how much time will be required. Now come on guys, good question, answer it. How much time will be required? See, you can say rate is R percent and time is R years. Because the value is numerically, that means the number is equal. This is R years. Correct? So you need to calculate the time. Now, how can you calculate the time? How can you calculate the time? In the question, they have given you simple interest, P into R into T by 100. Simple interest is 4/9P. This is principal. Rate of interest is R percentage and time is R years by 100. Principal will get cancelled out. Okay, 4 into 100 by 9. This is R square. So when you will take out the square, this will come 20/9. Correct? 20/3. Because square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 100 is 10. So 2 into 10 becomes 20. Now this is the rate percentage and this much is also your time. Time is how much? 20/3 years. So if I write 3, 6, 6, 18. So from here what you will get? 6, 2/3 years. 6, 2/3 years. Or you can write it as 6 years and how many months? 6 year and how many months? 8 months. 2/3 years it is being mentioned. So 2/3 years means how many months? It will be how many months? It will be 8 months. Correct? So 6 year, 8 months. Fine. So 6 years, 8 months. Simple. Come on. Last question of your simple interest. Then we will move towards profit and loss and then towards compound interest. Come on guys. Answer. Quick. The simple interest on a certain sum of money for 2.5 years at 12% per annum is rupees 20, rupees 40 less than the simple interest on the same sum for 3.5 years at 10% annum. Simple interest on a certain sum of money is rupees 40 less than the simple interest on the same sum for 3.5 years. आपसे पूछा what is the sum? So principal, initially the rate they have told us this is one is the 10%, time is 3 1 by 2, that is 3.5 years by 100. So that means when you will subtract this, you will get the value as 40 by, because this is 40 less than the simple interest on this one. So simple interest for 3.5 years minus simple interest for 2.5 years is equal to 40. So P 12 2.5 by 100. See, one line. You will get the answer. Simple. Just one line and you'll get the answer. Come on, solve it quickly. Quickly solve it and tell me how much is the value coming. Quick, quick, quick. Come on, solve it. Now here when you will compare, you will make sure that you are comparing for the same time. You are comparing for the same time. Come on, check it out. If you are comparing, one you have mentioned for 3.5 years, one you have mentioned for 2.5 years. Come on. One mistake is there. Come on, guys. This you'll multiply by 2 and this you will multiply by 2. Okay. So this will come how much? 7 by 10 minus. Here you will be having, this will go, or you can just write here 3.5 into 2, 7, 70 by 100 p minus 12 into 5, 60 is equal to 40. Come on, now solve it and tell me the answer quickly. Here 12 fives are 60. Tell me. You can divide it also, but better than multiplying and dividing by 2 doesn't make any sense. So let it be. ऐसे solve for this is the best way. Don't make it complicated, otherwise faltu. 3.5 writing it as 7 by 2, doing all those things, or 2.5 writing it as 5 by 2. You want, then you can do it. See, for making it simple, instead of writing 3.5, you can write it as 7 by 2. Okay, it becomes simple. And you can write it as 5 by 2. This becomes simple. That's up to you. And here 100 is also there. Okay, now from here what you will get, here you will get 70p by 200 and this will be 60p by 200 is equal to 40. So this is 10p by 200 is equal to 40. So this is gone. So from here you will get 800 rupees. This will be the sum. So just for decimal and all is there, so you tend to like get confused and do mistakes, so you can write like this. Simple. Okay, so like you have multiplied, either you can 3.5 multiply and then divide by 2 so that it becomes 7, a whole number, or you can write just 7 by 2. That's just for simplicity purpose. That's it. Okay. Now let's move towards what? Let's move towards the profit and loss percentage. Okay. If the manufacturer gains 10%, the wholesale dealer 15% and the retailer 25%. Manufacturer, then you have wholesale dealer, then you have the retailer. Find the cost of production of the table if the retail price is 1265 rupees. Come on. Come on, guys. Retail price is given to you 25%. It is asking you cost of production of table. So let us suppose the cost of production of table is rupees X. Okay, so what will happen is retail price is 1265. So retailer gains how much? 25%. So 125% of X he will get. Dealer will get how much? 115 by 100 of X, and the wholesale or the manufacturer will gain how much? 110 by 100 into X. Come on. So just solve it. Now here I have written like this. Come on, solve it quickly. How much? See, or you can proceed in this manner also. Wait. Okay. We will start from the manufacturer. We will start from the manufacturer. We can start. Nobody has done it. Okay, fine. We can start from the manufacturer. Let us suppose cost of production of table is X. So first the manufacturer will be there, then the wholesale dealer, then the retailer. So he will get how much? He will earn a profit of 10%. Gain means profit percentage. 110 by 100. Then who will come? Wholesale dealer. In this money he'll earn how much percentage profit? 115, 15%. So this much. And the retailer will earn how much? 25%. That means 125 by 100. Okay, and this will come out to be how much? 1265. So solve it. From here you will get the value of x. So this it's better to cut it out. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. And if I write it, 5 2s are 0. This is 5 5s are 25 I'm writing, and I'm here doing 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. This will become 5 by 4. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. This will become 23 by 20. This will be 5 2s are 10, and this will be 5 2s are 10. 1265. Okay, then anything else? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are. Okay, anything else? 23 into 11, 2 into 4 into 20 is equal to 1265 of x. Come on, solve it and calculate the value of x from here. Solve it and calculate the value of x from here. Come on. X. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22, 23 24 25, 253. Then this will be 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 160x is equal to 1265. X will be 1265 into 160 divided by 253. Solve it. अब तो solve कर सकते हो. From here the rate of interest will come. Sorry, rate of interest I'm saying. The cost of production of the table is 800 rupees. अब समझ लो how much margin you have. The cost of production is 800, but in that a manufacturer will also earn profit, wholesaler dealer will also earn profit, retailer will also earn profit. Okay. Now next question. Monica purchased a pressure cooker at 9 by 10th of the selling price and sold it at 8% more than its selling price. Now it is asking you what will be the gain percent. Monica purchased the pressure cooker at 9 by 10th of its selling price. So let the selling price be SP. Okay, so he purchased it as 9 by 10th of the selling price. Okay, so this will be the cost price for Monica because she purchased it, and she's selling it at what? What will the selling price? 8% more than its selling price. 8% more than its selling price. That means how much, guys? 8% more than its selling price. That means how much? 8% ज़्यादा. 8% more than its selling price. If selling price इसको x ही ले लेती हो तो ज़्यादा better है. Selling price be x, so this will be 9 by 10 of x. Or selling price is sold means selling price 8% more. That means whatever was the value, 8% more. So from here it will come 108 by 100x. This will be the selling price. Now it is asking you the gain percent or the profit percent. So how can you calculate the profit percent, guys? How can you calculate the profit percent? Quick. Gain percent. Sell loss percentage or gain percentage, both is calculated with respect to the cost price. So come on, solve it and tell me what will be the gain percentage. What will be the gain percentage? Now for gain percentage, first you need to calculate how much profit is there. See, selling price is 108 by 100x and the cost price is 9 by 10x. So the profit will be, come on, solve it. Now this will be like if I 5, no, it will not go by 5. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 25. So this will be 27 by 25 x minus 9 by 10x. Come on. So from here, if I take the LCM, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. So 25 2s are will be 54. 6 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 50. 50. This will be the profit percentage. This will be the profit percentage. Now, how much profit he is getting? How much profit he is getting? Abhi, you have calculated the cost price, you know, the selling price, you know, and the initial selling price, you know. Okay, basically what the one you have assumed. It is asking you in the question gain percentage. Gain percentage कैसे निकालोगे? Gain percentage or profit percentage is gain upon cost price into 100. Gain कितना हुआ? That is profit 9x by 50. What is the cost price? 9 by 10x into 100. So here, यहाँ से 9 will get cancel out. Only you will be getting how much? How much you will be getting? 9 cancel out हो गया. This will be 10 by 50 into 100. So from here 51s are 50, 52s are 100. 20% will be your gain percentage. जरूरी नहीं है if you are assuming it anything at x you have to calculate the value of x. In this question, see, profit also x was there, in cost price also x was there, so they got cancelled, so there was no use of it. Okay, now next question. An article is sold at a certain price. By selling it at 2 by third of its price, loss is 10%. Find the gain percentage at original price. Come on. आपने you have taken an article and you have sold it at a certain price. You don't know the value, but if you sell it at 2 by third of the price, you will lose 10%. So if let us suppose, let selling price be rupees X. New selling price which is being mentioned to you, 2 by 3x, and how much loss will take place? 10%. So firstly, if it is asking, if you would have sold it at the selling price only x, then you would have got a gain. Right now, when you're selling it at 2 by 3 times of the selling price, that means 66.6% of the selling price, you are getting a loss. So it is asking you what will be the original price. Or basically, it is asking you what will be the gain percentage in the original price. So first you need to know the original price. Come on, solve it. Quick, guys. See, I told you profit percentage, loss percentage, everything is calculated with respect to the cost price. So cost price from here will be 100, 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. So 100, 100 minus 9, 10%. Okay, and selling price 2 by 3x, the new one. So from here 100 by 90, that means 10 by 9 into 2 by 3x. Okay, so this will be your cost price. Now calculate the gain percent. I have calculated the cost price. अभी ये तो मैंने निकाल दिया यार. Now you can calculate. Come on. 10 by 100 minus 10 is 90. So this will get cancelled out. You will get 100 by 90. So this will get cancelled out. 10 by 9 into 2 by 3. Come on. So this will be 10 into 2, 20. 9 3s are 27. So 20 by 27 x. This is your cost price. Now it is asking you the gain percentage. Gain percentage कितना होगा? Gain percentage निकालने के लिए first you have to calculate gain or profit, which is selling price minus cost price. Initially selling price was x. Cost price was 20 by 27x. So this was how much? 27 minus 20, 7x by 27. This was your gain. And gain percentage is how much? Gain upon cost price into 100. So 7x by 27. Cost price is 20x by 27 into 100. So 7 by 20 into 100. 21s are 25s are. So 35%. So this will be your gain percent. Clear? So such pattern of questions you have to deal in this manner. But yeah, since I'm explaining, it is taking time. Otherwise, when you will do it by yourself, you have to do it quickly. Clear? Remember this formula, it makes it very easy breezy. Okay. Now, next question. A tradesman sold an article at a loss of 20%. Now, if he increased the selling price by rupees 100, he would gain 5%. So, let us know the cost price of the article. What will be the cost price? Come on. Let us assume, let the cost price be rupees X. Now, if he is selling it at article, a tradesman sold an article, the price he has not mentioned, but he'll earn a loss of 20%. If whatever was the selling price initially, he increased by 100 rupees, he will gain 5%. So what will be the cost price of the article? Come on. What will be? See, if the gain is taking place by 5%, that means like if 100 rupees was the selling price initially, okay, and here what will happen is 100 by 5% of it, this will be the gain. Okay, so how much he is getting? 105 by 100. This much he is getting 105 by 100 of X. Okay, profit or loss is calculated with respect to the cost price. Hamesha we will calculate with respect to the cost price unless and until other question है mentioned and that is a different thing. So there would have been a gain of 5%. So agar 5% gain, that means 105% of X. Okay, and if he would have sold it at a loss of 20%, 20% loss means out of 100, 20% is loss. That means 80% of X. This is equal to 100. Is it clear? This is clear? This is clear. Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Quickly. See, logic what they have told is when you have increased by 5% the value, whatever, जब आपने selling price increased by 100 rupees. So 100 rupees, what was there initially? Okay, so what has happened? Gain of 5% has happened. So 5% means 105 by 100, or you can say 105% of X minus, yes को ले लो इधर 100 plus 80% of X, because profit or loss is calculated with respect to the cost price. अगर 20% का loss है, that means how much is the selling price here? 80% of X. Here if the gain is 5%, that means how much is the selling price here? 105% of X. Okay, now solve it. 105 by 100 minus 80 by 100, X is equal to 100. So from here, 400 rupees. This will be the cost price of the article. Simple. Okay. Just one line was there. This line. That's it. Nothing was there in this question. This line you should know. Now, this type of questions very, very, very common. Even in your gate also they ask you this. A man sells an article at a profit of 25%. If he would have brought it at 20% less and sold it for rupees 10.50 less, he would have gained 30%. So it is asking you the cost price of the article. Come on, calculate. Initially, the man sells a article at a profit of 25%. Profit percentage means profit into 100 divided by cost price. This is your profit percentage. Come on. Quick, quick, quick. Solve it, guys, quickly. Let us assume cost price we have to calculate. So let the cost price be rupees X. Selling price, if he is selling it at a profit of 25%, this will be how much? You should know. 100 plus profit percentage, cost price. So this will become 100 plus profit percentage 25, cost price which is X. That is 125x by 100. If he would have brought it at 20% less, if he would have brought it at 20% less, then what would be the selling price, guys? If he would have brought it at 20% less, what would be the selling price? Second case में selling price क्या होगा? Come on. 20% less. 20% less. That means selling price will be what? 80% of X. 20% less मिला है ना, so selling price will be what? 80% of X. Okay. And sold it for rupees 10.50 less. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें which is confusing. First, sold it profit 25%, selling price निकाल लिया. Then it is telling you the second condition that if you have उसने खरीदा 20% less में, मतलब कितना हुआ selling price? 80% of cost price, that is 80 by 100. तो वो उसको सेल करेगा कितने रुपए में? 10.50 लेस. 10.50 लेस मतलब जो इनिशियल प्राइस था 125x/100, ये इनिशियल, दिस वाज द प्राइस. नाउ व्हाट ही हैज डन इज, वॉट एवर प्राइस वाज देयर 80/100x, उसने क्या किया? उसमें 10.50 लेस में सोल्ड किया. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? मीन्स व्हाट गाइस? कम ऑन, बेसिक लॉजिक है, बेसिक बेसिक बेसिक, वेरी बेसिक लॉजिक. सेलिंग प्राइस है 80/100 इंटू एक्स. ठीक है, इतने में सेल किया. ही वुड हैव गेन 30%. उसने कितना गेन किया होता? उसने कितना गेन किया होता? आपका 30% गेन हुआ था. सेकेंड सेलिंग प्राइस है 80% ऑफ एक्स, सो हाउ मच ही वुड हैव गेन? 30%. अगर 30% ही हैज गेन, 30% किस में? ही हैज गेन 30% इन व्हाट? इन दिस वैल्यू. सो दिस इज 4 2s are 8, or you can say 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. इसमें गेन हुआ किया होता 30%. 130/100 ऑफ 4/5x. दिस मच यू गाइज आर गेटिंग? दिस मच यू गाइज आर गेटिंग? अब देखो, यहां से 5 5s are 5 2s are 10, from here it is coming 5/4x. 5/4x. 5x/4 minus 26/25x is equal to 10.50. खत्म बात. इतना ही क्वेश्चन है. Since they have given you lot of percentage, you feel it is confusing, but it is not. First, it has told that if you sell it at a profit of 25%, selling price will be 100 plus profit percent by 100. That means this will be the 5/4 times of the cost price is the first selling price. If you sold it for if you have bought it at 20% less, आपने 20% less में खरीदा, that means how much? 80% of x में खरीदा. That means 4/5x you have purchased it, and then you are selling it, you're earning a profit of 30%. So what will be the selling price? That will be 130% of 4/5x in the one which you have purchased. Okay, so that will be 26/25x. Now it is asking you, तब आपको कितना what it has been done, you would have, it is asking you the cost price. तो यहाँ से this was the first selling price minus second selling price is equal to the amount of rupees which you are getting. So यहाँ से you will get the value of x. Okay, sure. Now guys, solve this question. This is a homework question for you guys. The price of a jewel passing through 3 hands rises on the whole by 65%. If the first and second jewelers earn 20% and 25% profit, it is asking you the percentage profit earned by the third jewelers. A बहुत simple question है, very simple questions. You guys can solve it and you'll get the answer. बहुत simple question है. Just try it once, you'll get the answer. Okay. Now let's solve questions related to compound interest. Okay, some questions related to compound interest. If rupees 500 amounts to rupees 583.20 in 2 years compounded annually, find the rate of interest. You know that compound interest is given by how you calculate compound interest? How you calculate it? You guys know the formula or you don't? First tell me that only. You guys know the formula? The formula is amount P 1 plus R by 100 N. This is the formula of the amount. Okay, now see. If rupees 500 amounts to 500 and it became 583.20 in how many years? 2 years. When you are doing compounding annually, what is the rate of interest per annum? That means per year, how much will be the rate of interest? Come on, guys. Quick. Come on. Principal is 500. Rate of interest you need to calculate. How many years? 2 years. And how much money he will get it after 2 years? 583.20. This is amount. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So here initially the principal was 500. After 2 years the amount which he will be getting is 583.20. It is asking you in the question what will be the rate of interest. Just one line you will get the answer. Simple. 1 plus r by 100 whole square is equal to 583.20 divided by 500. Solve it, you will get the rate of percentage, rate of interest in percentage. Come on, solve it. How much you will get? 8%. Okay? Come on. Do the next question. If the compound interest on a sum at 6 2 by 3% for 3 years is rupees 12. This question something is missing. Just let me check it out. I'll check this question, solve this question by then. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest at a certain sum at 10% per annum for 2 years is 631. It is asking you the sum value. Come on, calculate. The difference by the simple interest and compound interest by 10%, that means rate of interest is 10%, time is 2 years. They have given you, calculate the sum, that means the principal amount. Quick. This will be like on a certain sum. Come on, solve it. See, you know compound amount is P1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So, compound interest will be P1 plus R by 100, the amount minus the principal. This much will be compound interest. Simple interest, you already know P into R into T by 100. So, when you take out the difference, so this will be P 10%, 2 years minus P minus simple interest 631. Come on, solve it, you will get the answer. This big equation is there, just solve it, you will get the answer. Come on, guys. Now, solving is your issue, not mine. Now, you have to solve it and tell me the answer, how much you are getting. Come on. When you will solve it from here, the value which you will get, just check it out, it will be 63,100 rupees. Just check it out, you will be getting this value. If you are not getting, let me know, then I'll solve it. Okay. Now, last question. You have to divide rupees 1301 between A and B so that amount of A after 7 years is equal to amount of B after 9 years. Interest is compounded at 4% per annum. That means per year. Come on. So if let us suppose A gets rupees x. So B, you will distribute how much? 1301 minus x rupees. Correct. And now it is asking you how much interest is being compounded annually. This is asking you that. How will you solve it, guys? How will you solve it? Quick. अगर एक को दोनों को टाइम इज डिफरेंट, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज सेम. So divide rupees 1301 between A and B so that amount A after 7 years. So A का है amount A principal 1 plus R, so that the amount of A after 7 years to the amount of B after 9 years. That's it. This one line was the equation which you should know. Now solve it and get the answer. From here, this will get cancelled out. You will get x is equal to 1301 minus x, 1 plus 4 by 100. This 7 and this will become square. So x will be 1301 minus x and this will be 104 by 100 square. Okay. Now solve it and from here you will get the value of x. That is the value. Come on. Calculate x, पता चल जाएगा. What will be the value of x? What will be the value of x? In this question, they haven't mentioned divide rupees between so that the amount, the interest being compounded. So they should have asked you like find the amount given to A. This should be mentioned because that is not mentioned directly. That's why there is an issue to calculate what it is asking you in the question. So from here you will calculate x, then you will come to know. So solve it from here. You will get the amount which A receives is 676 rupees, and if they would have asked you how much the amount is received by B, you will do 1301 minus x, that is 676 rupees. Okay, so in this way you will get it. So simple questions are there. If questions related to compound interest will come, definitely it will be slightly calculative. If questions from simple interest and all will come, it will be comparatively easy. Now it's up to you to decide what to do. But yeah, compound interest one, you will be getting a slightly more calculative question. So if it comes and you see that yeah, calculations and all are there, then just leave it for then. If you find it time in the end, then do it that time. Okay, so these were the questions which I have discussed, guys, today with you. And if you have any doubts, you can let me know. And 2-3 questions I'll give you homework. Like one I have given you homework, and this is next question homework for you. Okay, so calculate this and we'll meet you tomorrow with the mini mock test 2. Mini mock test 1 we have completed yesterday, so mini mock test 2 we will be dealing tomorrow. So if you have any doubts, you can basically my this one is them telegram group is there, civil by Richa Gupta. You can follow it and let me know if you have any other queries. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard. And guys, this time I haven't told you any shortcuts. I have told you the long cut procedure, how to solve it for clearing the basics. If you want that for profit and loss, you want shortcuts, just the formulas, then do let me know. We'll discuss that also. Today I have told you the conceptual, or you can say the conventional way of approaching it. Okay, so that's why it was like a lengthy thing because I was explaining you each and everything. If you do it by yourself or if you'll go by the shortcut, it will be easy. So if you'll tell me, then of course we can discuss in the shortcut manner also. Okay, so that it becomes easy for you for solving. Actually, when I discuss shortcut, you say that, ma'am, firstly we want to go through the basic conventional method. So today I have done the conventional method for you guys. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Let's meet tomorrow, same timing, that is 10 a.m. And we will be completing the mini mock test 2 also, that is for CBT 2 technical. Okay, thank you everybody. Take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard. Thank you so much.